That's right, guys. All just from the key itself. Part of Comfort Access. This is the 2019 BMW i8 Roadster. Very soon to be a limited edition. Get your hands on one while you can. That's it's plugged in. Yes, it is a hybrid, so a gas and an electric. It doesn't have a frunk. It does have a tiny bit of a trunk. It's a nice close-up for it.
No, thanks.
If you need anything, I'll let you know.
Thank you very much.
Guys, this is Alan, one of my sales managers. Alan, say hi for YouTube. And another close-up of the roof going down. That's it, guys, just from the key itself as part of the Comfort Access. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below what else you would like to see. As time permits, I will make a video for you guys. Thank you for watching. You can Google me, read about me, hashtag SUMER416. That's hashtag SUMER416. And this is Samir Umer from BMW Toronto.